Look what we're driving. Brought the F80 out. Today, we are putting a new lip on the car because this one is completely cooked. More than cooked, bro. Overcooked. Look at this. Bro, I got duct tape, more duct tape, more duct tape. It's really bad. Underneath split in like 2 pieces. It's bad. Fixing the F80, bringing it back to life. We got the new windshield fixed. It's all clean. We also added the CS spoiler back on, which I think looks really, really good. Pumping gas like always. Literally every single vlog, bro. For the past 2-3 years, I have been pumping gas. The amount of money I spent on gas is ridiculous. But yeah, I'm just trying to get that F80 ready for this week at SEMA. This car is gonna be in the SEMA show, which I've always wanted to be in the show, bro. It's always been like a goal of mine. It's like the biggest car show. It's massive, dude. Like SEMA is huge. You can't even see the whole show in a day. Like you need like a whole week to see all the cars there. But this year, for the first time ever, my car's gonna be in the SEMA show. So I'm excited. I literally manifested this last year when I was at SEMA. I was like, bro, next year I'm gonna have a car in the show. I don't know how, and I don't know what car, but I need to have a car in SEMA. And a company hit me up. They were like, yo, we would love to have your car at the show representing their brand. So we're gonna be out there with Fortune Auto. Fortune Auto is the coilovers that we have on the car. We're also gonna have these same coilovers on my E92, so stay tuned for that. I would have loved to bring the R8, but I guess they want the F80. I have to drop off the F80 in Vegas this weekend and then drive back home and then go back to Vegas on like Wednesday for SEMA. So it's a lot of going back and forth to Vegas, and it's not a short drive. It's like 4 hours. Yeah, today we're putting a new lip on it and then hopefully not break it for the show. I was tempted to just get the lip and then install it at SEMA so that I don't have to worry about breaking it, but I don't have anyone to help me install the lip out there. So I'm just gonna install the lip today and hopefully we make it all the way to Vegas without breaking the lip, dude. I hope. All right, you guys already know where we're at. We made it to Beamer Plug, of course, to get the new lip. They for sure hate me because I literally got this lip last time and broke it in the same day. Damn! There's always planes landing right here. It's so loud. But yeah, I feel like Beamer Plug for sure hates me because I got this lip last time and I broke it in the same day. Within like the first couple hours, it was already broken. I know, I just gotta raise this freaking car up. Right now, I was just talking to the guys and I was like, what if, instead of risking it right now, putting it on the car, driving it all the way home to LA, all the way from LA to Vegas, 4-hour drive, risking the lip from breaking, what if we don't put the lip on today, we take this one off, and then I just 3M tape the lip on at SEMA. So like when I get there, I'll just put the lip on like with just sticky tape or something. I don't know how the heck Jake gets away with this lip. Like, bro, his car is hella low, and that lip is ridiculously low. Like, there's no way. How did he not break that? There's no way. But look, we made it. Beamer Plug. Now somebody got a trunk. There's a G80 trunk. Oh shoot, another one. So first we gotta take off this ugly ass taped up lip. Right? Is that it? All the bolts are gone. That's all?
Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's how many are missing?
8, 9, 10, 11.
11 bolts are gone.
Yes.
It was held on by 3 bolts and tape. That's it. So this time we're doing the V-style lip. This one is like my personal favorite. I had it on my last F80 and it just looks so good on F80s, but I feel like it fits the bumper perfectly and everything. The only thing is this one's a little aggressive too. Hopefully I don't break it, bro. But this one's sick.
It's gonna be lower.
I know. I feel like it is gonna be lower than. It's this little edge right here that's low.
Not Nick, Jake. You had it for a while.
I know you did, huh?
Yeah, it's good. Why? It'll be good. It's chilling.
Bro, my last F80, it lasted, but this little corners are hard to keep safe. It looks so good though, bro. Like, this is the best looking lip. I think Hugo has the same one, huh? Look how ugly it is without a lip though. Like, shit looks like a 328. It needs a lip, bro. Like, it needs a front lip. Do you hate me yet?
No, I love it. I love Nick.
And I break them pretty fast.
Yeah. Should we raise his car, guys?
I know, honestly, we should just raise it up. But look, they got a bunch. They got extras.
It's all reserved for Nick, actually.
You should make me a whole stash, like, or one whole shelf. We also gotta come back, guys, and install a bunch of E92 parts. Like, they got everything in now, I think. The lip, the diffuser, a bunch of stuff, bro. So next car, we gotta bring the E92 and do that. Maybe next week or something. I gotta get the E92 build going. I feel like I haven't done nothing to that car. I need to pick a wrap color, bro, for that car. I don't know what to do.
I already told you, bro.
What?
What'd you tell him? I've been watching his vlogs.
What
He
color?
was saying Ruby Star.
I was thinking Ruby Star, bro.
Nardo Gray or something.
Nardo Gray would be fire too.
Nardo Gray would be nasty. Especially, you can leave the wheels.
Yeah.
Nardo Gray.
That would be fire. I've thought about that.
You know why I like that? Because like that used to be meta.
I know.
But not anymore.
Literally,
Not anymore.
it's kind of dying out.
I know.
I could bring it back.
When that car was peak, Nardo Gray.
Yeah, it was.
You want to bring it back?
I always wanted to do that color
think
before.
that's-
It just doesn't stand out though. Like, imagine Ruby Star, that shit is bright. So good. I'm telling you, it just fits the body lines, bro. Like, look how it fits. Everything's perfect. Oh, it's gonna look so sick and hella low. It's gonna make me not want to sell this car, huh? That shit low, bro. Look how good it looks though. Dude, that's literally the best looking lip, guys. If you have an F80, I recommend the V-Style. The V-Style is fire, dude. Damn, this car looks good now, dude. Literally looks mint again, bro. Brand new lip, brand new windshield. The paint and wheels are all clean. Put the spoiler back on. That's probably the best the car has ever looked. Dude. What do we do about this one?
Giveaway.
Giveaway? Yes. Should we break it?
The first comment on this video, you get it.
Who wants it, guys? I don't even think they want this shit. I almost cut my finger on it right now, bro. Hopefully it doesn't scrape just coming out the shop. Oh, nah, we good. It was close though. I'm literally in love with the car right now. I do not want to sell it, bro. Hell no. Thank you, sir. Lip number what?
20.
This is a test.
Let me
Air
see.
Forces, bro, you're chilling.
I know, honestly,
This is perfect.
it's not
This
bad.
is low, but not too low.
I think I can get away with this one. I think it could last 2 days.
2 hours.
2 hours instead of 1 hour. I thought it was gonna be worse. It's just the drive to Vegas is scary, but originally, like I said, I was gonna take it off and just 3M tape it up at SEMA so that the lip looks fresh, but he's like, bro, you'll be good. Stop being scared.
Look at that.
I know, honestly, it's not that bad. Huge shout out to Beamer Plug. Like I said, if you guys need any carbon fiber, everything on this car is from Beamer Plug. Besides the OEM spoiler, but this whole diffuser is from Beamer Plug, which is also my favorite diffuser for any F80, F82. The side skirts are from them. The mirror caps are from them. And we also even have the grills and now the lip from them. The third, fourth, fifth front lip from them. But if you guys need any carbon fiber parts or anything BMW related, they are the Beamer Plug, bro. I'll leave the link down below. Also use code FindingNick at checkout and give you guys a little discount. I see a lot of people using it. So if you guys need any carbon fiber stuff, use code FindingNick at checkout on beamerplug.com. It will give you guys a big discount for all my supporters, everyone that wants carbon. So you guys could look like me. Do you guys recognize this? My G80 hood. It's still wrapped mint green too. Damn, I can't believe I had that color. I do kind of regret it a little bit. I like the sand black of the G80, but I do miss that color. Anyways, we are all done. The lip is staying on. Wish me luck. It has to just last 2 days and about 400 miles to Vegas, but hopefully I do not break this lip, bro. I'm gonna drive so careful right now. I don't care if anyone's honking at me behind me or telling me to go slow. I'm gonna be very, very careful. This is the first test. It's just leaving their parking lot. It's so steep. And if we can make it out of here, we should be good everywhere else because this is very freaking steep.
Oh. Oh. Yeah, it's on the floor. Yeah. Yes.
Am I gonna break it?
You're on the floor.
You think it's gonna break?
I don't know.
This is not gonna be possible to drive on.
All the way to Vegas?
There's no way it's gonna last. Oh! I got an idea.
Oh my God, he's gonna reverse.
This might work.
Way better. Ooh! You guys, I don't think this is a good idea. Oh my gosh, your back wheel's spinning. What the? Look at the back wheel.
Oh my God, almost curved it, huh? This is ridiculous.
Yeah, that's how you're gonna have to get out.
I'm sweating. Like, I'm literally sweating because of how stressed I am with breaking this lip. It's not gonna last. It's not gonna last. I already know. All right, guys, we are back in the vet. It is the next day. I definitely did not film enough yesterday. At least the F80 looks good. Tomorrow we take it to Vegas. I don't know how, but the lip has not broke us. Please just make it to Vegas. without a broken lip. I hope so. But anyways, this is the next day now. Now we're in the Corvette. Obviously, thing is chopping like crazy. I saw everyone getting mad at me because I was pointing out how much the car shakes, but yo, I've never had a cammed car. It's insane, dude. Going to a little Cars and Coffee. Honestly, just an excuse to bring the Corvette out and drive it and show it off because I haven't taken it to a meet yet. I guess it's like a vintage BMW E30, E36 car show. I'm out here for the vibes and just to drive my car. I'm like the typical Corvette owner right now. The older guy that just brings his Corvette out on the weekend, sits in a lawn chair. That's the vibe I'm on today. Which I'm actually really bummed because yesterday was Halloween and it went by so fast. I didn't even know it was Halloween already, but I wanted to dress up as a Corvette owner. Put the whole outfit on, the jean shorts, all of it, the New Balances. It would have been so funny. Also, another thing I noticed about this car is that it stinks so bad, bro. It smells way worse than all my other cars. I don't know why, but like the exhaust is just, it's so strong. Right now in my parking garage, I let it warm up for like 5 minutes, maybe more. It was just sitting there idling and I literally was about to pass out. Like the whole parking garage smells like freaking exhaust fume. Like I don't know what it is, if it's this motor or this car, but I've never been in a car that smells this bad. I've even noticed that every time I'm done driving this car and I go home, bro, I stink like exhaust. All my clothes smell. I literally smell like exhaust fumes, dude. It's so bad. I think eventually when you put it on ED5, it'll smell a little bit better, but it's bad, guys. Like it's really bad. Alright guys, we made it and I was not expecting it to be like this. Look how many freaking cars are out here. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't even know there was this many old school BMWs. I'm gonna get roasted in the comments because I know this community is huge, bro. Look at this. There's so many E30s, E36s. Oh, they have them like in a row. So these are E30s, E36s, those little Z things, I don't even know. Hella E30s. M3s back here. I do want an E30. It's the only M3 I haven't had. I've had every single M3. I've even had 2 F80s, but I've never had an E30 M3. This is one I gotta get. Wow, look at this one. See, this one's perfect, bro. Black paint. Sheesh. Look at the interior. Most of these cars too, like even though like the oldest M3s, they look cleaner than some like newest M3s out there. If only I had my E36 still, huh? I miss that car so much, guys. Like that is the one car I regret. I feel like I could never find another E36 like I had, bro. It was Hell Rot Red. It was also a 1997, which is an unk like me, same year as I was born. And that red, bro, is that red right there? Actually, oh my God, that might be my old car. I wouldn't be surprised if my old car is here right now. Bro, I really think this is it. I'm not even joking. I was literally just talking about it.
Your old car?
This is it, right? What's up, G?
What's up, bro?
I think it is.
Is it?
Bro, I swear I think it's my car. I was looking at the inside, I'm like, I think it is, bro, but I remember the roof being messed up unless they fixed it.
That's ironic though.
What?
If it's your old car.
I was just talking about it too.
It's my new shit right here.
No way.
Come on, son.
Are you for real? No way, bro. He said he was gonna, there's no way you got this.
Come on, bro.
For real? Yeah. M3?
Bro, we back.
There's no way, bro. Anto literally told me, you gotta pull up so I can show you. You really bought this?
Yes.
That's paint?
Yes.
There's no way, bro.
British Racing Green, bro.
Dude.
Come on, son.
This shit's clean. Yeah. There's no way you bought this.
95, bro. My birthday.
I was literally just saying that. This is 97. My birthday. Bro, I fucked up. I should have bought it. I think that's the new owner right there. It is my old car, bro. Freaking sick. There's no way, bro. Yeah, Anthony was like, yo, you gotta pull up. I got a new car. He was trying to show it to me like 2 days ago, but I just been busy. Are you ready to sell it or what?
No.
Come on,
Not
bro.
Yet.
When are you gonna sell it?
Bro, I'm having too much fun.
Yeah, it's a fun car, huh?
It's a good car.
How many miles does it have now?
278. It just hit
278? Holy crap, bro. That shit is still going. But these cars just keep going, guys. Like, it's insane. Anto, this shit is hard, bro. There's no way you bought this. I'm so jealous, bro. I'm not even kidding. Like, this is like a perfect freaking E36. This shit kind of sad to see it like this, guys. It for sure needs a new paint job. I don't know what owner, but one of the owners. By the way, I went through like 5 different owners since I had it, but somebody put hood pins in it. That shit kind of ugly. This is all messed up, but he did fix the roof. That's why I didn't recognize it. One of the owners too also, I don't know what, stomped on the sunroof and it was all stomped in, but he fixed it. This shit's still nice though. Everybody's looking at it too. I feel like the red is super rare, bro. Like everyone's coming over to take pictures of it. Damn it. One car I regret, guys, but maybe we'll buy another one. Now I have to, the Antro has it. You like it or what?
Bro, this shit is crazy.
It's shaking up. I'll trade you. Change it to E36. He told me he was getting a new car, but I had no idea what it was. It's just so clean. British Racing green too, like, that's a crazy color. The moment you've all been waiting for. You ready?
No.
I've been trying to show her this car since it got done, and we're about to get her first reaction. This is your favorite car, you said. It was your favorite car. She loves this car so much. But I don't think it's gonna be your favorite car no more. It might be your worst car. I think it's worse than a CS.
To all your cars.
I ruined them all?
Let's hear it.
It makes a lot of noise, man. Like a lot. It's louder than any car I have.
Oh God.
Although I think the R8 is still louder at the startup. Like the initial like startup, you know?
Yeah, the R8 is crazy. I commented on one of your videos when you posted. I was like, you guys don't understand. Like the R8 is really on its
really bad.
mind hurting. Like it hurts my brain.
Wait, I should wait till the neighbors leave. Okay, let me wait, guys, because I'm not trying to get kicked out of the apartment.
outside?
Wait a little bit for the neighbors to go inside, because I don't want them to snitch on me and be like, why is someone's car sound like it's gonna break the whole freaking roof? You ready?
Yeah. Sounds like a monster.
What do you think? It's like this the whole time.
How are you gonna get John to do?
Like this.
It never stops.
Doesn't stop. It literally doesn't stop. It's honestly ridiculous.
I mean, like, it sounds cool. I get why you like it. It sounds like
Like a beast.
manly ass
Like a
car.
man car.
Yeah.
That's why I could, like, every time someone tells me, like, what do you think about the Corvette? I feel like a man driving it. Like,
Yeah.
I feel like Vin Diesel, bro.
Yeah, you're like you're a man.
I feel like shaving my head and looking like Vin Diesel, too.
Yeah!
Okay, dude. Relax. Sick, right?
I like that. It sounds cool.
Sounds sick, huh?
Nick took me to Monster Jam, like, when we first met, and I really liked it.
It sounds like a monster truck.
Yes, like, I was surprised how much I liked it. It kind of reminds me of that. Is it gonna get worse? It's, like, gonna get louder?
No, it's like this. I want to make it louder. Why are you shaking? Hey, you know what my friend was saying? That we should do a video where you do your makeup while it shakes like this.
Oh my God, that would be so hard. This is ridiculous.
Luckily, I have valves so I can, like, way better, huh? The valves come in clutch.
Yeah, it is better, but you can still feel it shaking.
Yeah, you just keep feeling it,
What?
though.
That's like annoying. Are you even gonna drive this car?
I love driving it. I literally am making an excuse to drive it right now. Just to go get a smoothie. She was like, can we go get a smoothie? I was like, I'm down. I just want to drive the Corvette. America!
A real man.
On the tight, man.
Oh my God. Whoa! Holy cow, that thing is fast! What are we taking off like a freaking rocket?
This is so sick, huh?
Oh my gosh, wait, is it faster? Oh my
Yeah, it's
gosh.
way faster.
The girls know. The lip gloss. I was not prepared for that.
How
I don't
fast
know
is that?
why. I don't know what else I was expecting from you. That is obnoxious. Are you kidding me? What is wrong with this guy? No, I do love this car though. Oh my gosh.
What?
You can see me at all.
What?
I
You're
look
white?
like a ghost.
Yeah, this car is very loud and it can get us in a lot of trouble very fast.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes the Corvettes get a pass. Like, since it's an American muscle car, old school
Oh,
vet.
and like the cops are like,
Yeah, most cops are very lenient. Like, they see the car, they give you a thumbs up. Is what I've heard. I don't know. I haven't ran into many cops yet, so let's hope it stays like that.
Yeah.
But I heard the Corvettes usually get the pass.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see in 26. Shit.